Hey guys, welcome to the Crypto Crunch, your one-stop shop for everything crypto. I'm your host Puneet Rastogi. Guys, today we're going to discuss about certain strategies, how you can possibly trade or invest in cryptocurrencies and make good money out of it, right? But before we begin, guys, please do go through my disclaimer. You need to understand that this is not a financial advice and you will have to do your own due diligence before investing. Please do remember that I have been an investor in cryptocurrencies for more than a year now, and my opinions can be biased. Through this channel, all I'm doing is basically presenting my opinions, my experiences, at the same time, certain facts which are subject to different interpretations by different people, right? Now, guys, before we begin, I need to request you to please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really think that it is adding value to your thought process, right? So, guys, let's begin. The first thing, we need to set our expectations right. We need to set certain ground rules. Okay, so guys, please stop taking tips. The first and foremost, most important thing before we invest in cryptocurrencies is you need to have the right mindset. Please do not get blindly influenced and stop taking tips. So the next time a person tells you that this coin is dope and it's going to the moon, but does not give you a shit explanation or does not explain you anything about how the coin works, what does it do, what kind of problem is it solving, guys, please do a favor on yourself. Stop buying such shit coins. It's as simple as that. Second thing, you need to understand that your favorite YouTubers would always be having some kind of vested interest. Trust no one, guys, not even me. I'm strongly suggesting that. Each and every person who's creating a YouTube video on a particular coin will have certain vested interest. If some YouTuber is suggesting a small time altcoin, a coin which has just come 2 or 3 days down the line, you need to understand that he himself has possibly purchased that coin at a lower level and now he's trying to promote that coin so that the coin can now use the network effect and gradually grow in price, right? He's trying to create hype around it. Never ever trust your YouTubers or your favorite YouTubers blindly, okay? The next time anyone tells you that this is a great scheme or this is a great coin or a wonderful project or the coin going to the moon and you'll make tons and tons of money, you'll make $1 million in 4 months or 5 months, or you will be able to buy a Lamborghini in next year same time, guys, stop trusting such people. I would honestly say do not follow any of such people. Making money is not easy. Get that through your head. Making money is not easy no matter what you do, right? Anyone who says otherwise is lying to you, okay? So please stop trusting such people blindly. Do not follow such blogs, do not follow such YouTubers, any place you're following such people, Twitter, Facebook, guys, be realistic. Making money has never been easy no matter which field you choose. So stop following them blindly. Knowledge is power. Empower yourself with more knowledge. Try and understand how the technical analysis or the fundamental analysis of any particular coin happens. Try and understand what are the factors that make the coin go up or down. And once you have that knowledge, you will be able to invest your money with a proper understanding and you'll be more confident. You will not panic when there is a downtrend or when there is some kind of FUD which is created in any part of the world. So that's the most important key I would have to say, that the knowledge is power. Stick to the knowledge, right? So another important ground rule is you need to choose one of your investment style, be it technical analysis or fundamental analysis. I will be explaining at the surface level. I will be explaining both in this video itself, but you need to choose one. You need to stick to it. You need to learn it. You need to follow the right people for it. Do not follow blindly a person or an influencer who teaches you any of these techniques in a wrong manner, right? So please stick to one investment style and follow that. So what is technical analysis, right? So technical analysis is one of the investment strategy or one of the investment style per se, which basically it focuses on charts of price movement and various analytical tools to evaluate a security's strength or weakness and forecast future price changes, right? So technical analysis is applicable to all the securities. It need not be only specific to cryptocurrencies. You can predict stock market analysis, you can predict real estate prices, you can predict FNO, which is futures and option prices or derivative prices. Same way, technical analysis also apply to cryptocurrencies, right? The basic assumption of the technical analysis is that the prices changes are not random, right? Leads to belief of technical analysts that market trends, both short and long term, can be identified, enabling market traders to profit from investing according to the existing trends. So as I said, this kind of ideology follows market trends, price movements, charting, and that's how they predict whether the market is going up or down, right? Guys, I have the basic knowledge of technical analysis. I do follow very few selective technical analysts and whom I trust blindly, but I am not an expert or not even an intermediate person who knows about the technical analysis. So if this is the strategy that you would want to learn and go forward, my channel won't be the best channel for you. I will not lie to you. There are some fabulous people which I'm going to introduce next. But before we go to that, you need to understand that just like anything, technical analysis is also not foolproof. The technical charting gives you a predictive, I would say, with certain permutation and combination, it gives you a little preemptive predictions. It does not give you any foolproof price movement strategy. So you have to take this with a little bit of a salt. Remember that, right? It gives you a little bit of hint or a little bit of clue where the market is heading or where the security price would be heading, right? What are the things that are required in a typical technical analyst, right? So you would need to have a very keen eye to identify trends. You would need to be good in data analysis as well. So as I said, technical analyst is, I won't say it's very easy. You need to learn few things. You need to learn the charts, how the price moves, the volume, and a lot of trends, right? So these are few attributes that are ideally required in a good technical analyst. What are the influencers that you can follow? So Alessio Rastani is one person I've been following for quite some time. He does not only tell about the technical analysis of Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies. He tells about the technical analysis in general about UK markets, US markets, several booleans as well. And I would just like to show you his YouTube channel. So he is Alessio Rastani. He is, honestly speaking, he's a fabulous technical analyst, and his subscribers do not do justice to him. There should be many more subscribers to this channel, honestly. The other person who I have, I don't follow him regularly, but I've seen certain of his videos, and I did find his analysis pretty decent. The channel's name is Data Dash. You can follow him as well, right? There are few Twitter handles as well that you can follow. I follow this gentleman. It goes by the name of Bitcoindia, right? With a play with the name. I've seen his technical analysis, and he is decent as well. Another person who is absolutely brilliant is Mr. Peter Brand. I don't know, I'm facing some kind of bandwidth issue today. So he is also a great analyst. He's been in the market since 80s, right? That's before I was born actually. And he also analyzes the stock markets, the FNO, the Boolean market, as well as some crypto markets. These are the guys you should be following if you choose to go ahead with technical analysis as your core strategies, right? The other strategy, or the other spectrum of strategy, is called fundamental analysis. Now this is one thing that I have been doing. I have been investing in stock markets for more than 12 years now, and I've been using only the fundamental analysis to do so. For last 1.5 years that I've been investing in cryptocurrencies also, I've used fundamental analysis. I use the skills that I gained in the stock market investments, and I basically came up with my own strategies when it comes to fundamental analysis, right? I do follow the analysis or the concepts or philosophies of Mr. Warren Buffett and Mr. Peter Lynch. These are the guys whom I have read and studied throughout my life, and I follow their philosophy in identifying certain micro as well as macro level news and aspects, and how do you find the intrinsic or the base value of any particular security, right? So as I said, this type of analysis focus on macro and micro level of news and business possibilities. It's applicable to all kind of securities, just like technical analysis, be it bonds, be it stocks, be it derivatives, be it bullion, and the same way now cryptocurrencies. It's applicable to all kind of securities. This analysis gives weightage to the intrinsic value and the buy price over price movements. So it does not take into account how the prices are fluctuating, what kind of movement or volume is changing. It gives value to the intrinsic value or the buy price of a particular security, right? And just like everything else, nothing is foolproof. So isn't fundamental analysis, but it is significantly more easier than technical analysis, and over time significantly more rewarding, right? So this is a very, very important point, guys. You need to understand that people can and have made money in the past. I personally have made money, a lot of money, be it in stocks in the last 12 years or be it cryptocurrencies in last 1.5 years. I did identify certain types of cryptocurrencies. I did have my own strategies in place. I have failed in certain strategies, and that's how I have improvised on those strategies also. But now, what I can say, in last 1.5 years, I have made a quite a decent amount of money, and those are the strategies that I would want to share with you guys in this channel, right? So what are the attributes required for this particular kind of analysis or this particular kind of investment strategy? So you need to have patience, right? So in this kind of analysis, things don't happen over a day. In technical analysis, like movements happen out here, you need to have patience. You need to have strong analytical skills. You need to have strong conclusion based mindset. So you need to analyze that if this kind of problem happens in this country or this region, this is how the price of a particular security can be impacted. This is how a particular cryptocurrency will increase in price because of this kind of help from the government. That's how you have to think. So you need to be conclusion based. Same way, you need to have a good reading habits or researching habits. You need to watch good videos, good blog. You need to read good blogs. You need to read your newspaper on a daily basis. You need to identify what to read, how to read, and how to interpret, rather what to interpret from them, right? So as I said, it's very critical you follow the right people for this. You get the right news from right place. How reliable is that news? That's also going to impact your decision making power, right? It can further have money deployment strategies like cost averaging or buying on dips, etc., based on your cash flow and status. So these are the few strategies that I'm going to discuss in few videos down the line, right? Which channel can you follow? You can follow Crypto Crunch, which is this channel itself. I will be going through the Warren Buffett or Peter Lynch philosophy, and I will be discussing my strategies with you, how to identify securities, how to identify particular cryptocurrency or a project, and how to make the most out of it, right? So without making this video too long, guys, let's understand what we learned today. You can choose your investment style, but stick to it. Be it technical, be it fundamental, depending on certain attributes that I just discussed. You can choose one particular style, but try and stick to it, try and learn about it. You need to choose the right mentors. This is the key, guys. If your YouTuber or a particular person that you follow in Twitter is giving you wrong information or the wrong key criterias, your mindset changes. And as you can read from the last thing, the mindset is the key. So once you have a right mindset, right expectation, right focus, you can achieve your goals. You learn from the best. Always try and learn from the person who's doing well in this particular strategy. So if you're learning from a technical analyst, always go towards a technical analyst who has made money doing technical analysis, who has some kind of history behind him. Cryptocurrency is relatively a new asset class, but stock market isn't. So if you're learning something, go and follow Alicio. He has been making money for last 10-20 years doing technical analysis, doing what he does best. Same way, I'm giving you my own example. I have made money in stock markets doing fundamental analysis. I worked for companies like Bank of America, like BNP Paribas. So there is a reason these companies teach you something. Those are the information or the knowledge that you can use in your personal investments. And that's how I suggest, try and follow people, try and learn from people who have made money themselves, right? Rather than some people who are basically more entertaining. Try and go towards the information or the knowledge. Learn to filter the noise. There will be a lot of time, lot of channels which will create FUD, a lot of newspapers, a lot of big media channels that will create a lot of noise and try and scare you away. Try and focus, try and learn, and as I said, knowledge is the power. Because once you have it, trust me, there is a lot of money to be made in cryptocurrencies, and no matter which strategy you choose, money will be made, be it in technical analysis or fundamental analysis. But learn, and as I keep on saying, knowledge is the power. So guys, I would want to conclude this video out here itself, and I really request you to please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and have a great day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.